Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9Designs. Keep watching and be sure to hit that subscribe button to get some ideas that are outstanding. DIY number 1, Wood Round with Wreath. The supplies needed include 1 wood round, small, wooden wreath, small, red acrylic paint, green acrylic paint, reptile adhesive, and 1 jewel that's gold, and some jute. This was an easy peasy DIY because it just takes a few supplies. I found a wood round in my stash and checked it out to see if it would make a nice Christmas ornament. The wood wreath was just plain wood and it just needed a little something on it. So I used green acrylic paint to cover the wreath. And the ribbon was painted red as a nice contrast. And I made sure the sides of the wreath were painted so you could not see any of the raw wood edges. And once I was sure about that, I just took some reptile adhesive and put it on the opposite side of the wreath. I put a bit much of the glue on the wreath, but that was not a problem because as the glue poked through, I just took a wire and poked some holes to prevent the glue from drying and blocking the opening. And next, I put it on top of the wood round and it looked so nice and rustic. However, I thought it needed a little bit more bling. So I found a gold flat bead that I put right in the middle of the bow. And to continue with that theme, I took a piece of jute and threaded it through the opening. And hung it on the tree. Now, isn't that tremendous? The host is the Grace Life Home Decor, and the co-hosts in this open challenge include Jennifer at Home, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, Lifestyle Design with Teresa, Design with Emma, My Mountain Home Kitchen, and me, Z9Designs. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. DIY number 2, Upscale Pottery Barn-Ornament. The supplies needed included rub and buff, a spiral ornament from Pottery Barn, khaki suede acrylic paint that is textured, and medium brown suede hanger. The spiral Christmas tree ornament was kind of a buttermilk color with black highlighted spirals. Now I got this from Pottery Barn and it was originally $12.98 and it was on sale for $2.98, but when I got up there it was only like $1.25. So, the ornament wasn't terrible, but I decided to painted a khaki color, which was not really far from the previous colors. However, I wanted to give it more texture, so I used some suede texture paint, which I had never used before, and the paint was rather gritty, like it had some baking soda in the mix. But it was okay because I purchased this on sale. It was like 47 cents, so whatever way you look at it is probably a winner. Nevertheless, it had a long drying time, so I had to paint it twice and then wait probably an hour in between. So that wasn't necessarily good for time-saving measures. Then I applied some rub and buff after it was dry to the spirals, and it was given some life. For the hanger, I wanted to do something a little bit different, so I looked in my stash and I had some medium brown Hildy and Joe suede cording. I threaded it through the opening at the top of the ornament and knotted it at the top. And hung it on the tree. So let me know what you think of this one. DIY number 3, Antique Frame Christmas Ornament. Now the supplies needed include an antique picture frame. This was thrifted, rub and buff, and a rub-on transfer with a bell and some greenery, and some green velvet ribbon. That's it. This was a favorite of mine because it is beautiful and very easy. I purchased this at an estate sale for $1 as they decreased the price the following day. I cleaned it up and put some rub and buff on the frame. Then I took the inside cardstock and used a rub-on transfer of a Christmas bell as the insert. In addition, you can change the picture for any season or any reason. And next, it needed an elegant hanger. So I took some dark green velvet ribbon and I just tucked it into the back of the frame, and you closed it up. And I even left the back of it on there. This way, I can change it to any color ribbon I choose. I can use velvet, I can use satin. I hung it on the tree and it looks fabulously beautiful. Now, if I decide to change the color of the ribbon, I just open the back of the picture frame and put some other color in there. So, see, this is very versatile and very pretty. Let me know what you think of this one. Now, if you have liked my ornament DIYs, please subscribe to my channel and join in the fun. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Threads, and TikTok. And thanks for watching. I appreciate all of my subscribers and even those who are thinking about joining. All you need to do is hit the subscribe button and you can join this joyful family. And remember, if you want joy, give joy. See you later. Bye.